Hi, welcome back students. We are discussing circle. So today's section I am going to discuss the next problem, that is eighth one. If non-parallel sides of a trapezium are equal, prove that it is a cyclic. So here they given a trapezium. So in that trapezium non-parallel sides are equal and we want to show that trapezium is a cyclic, right? So here ABCD is a trapezium, and in a trapezium AB is parallel to CD and non-parallel sides are equal. They only given, it means AD is equal to BC. Is it clear? So let me solve here. ABCD is a trapezium in which AB is parallel to DC and AD is equal to BC. This much they given. So we want to prove it is a cyclic quadrilateral. Cyclic, right? So now draw AM is perpendicular to DC and BN is perpendicular to DC. Here we make one small construction. AM is perpendicular to DC and BM is perpendicular to DC. So here it is M, right? So now here frame two triangles, right? Triangle AMD and BNC, right? So now in a triangle AMD and triangle BNC. So in these two triangles, the angle AMD is equal to angle BNC, each 90 degree by construction, right? And AD is equal to BC. They only given and AM is equal to BN, the perpendicular distance between two parallel lines. Perpendicular distance between two parallel lines are same, right? So now these two triangles are congruent to each other by RHS, right angle hypotenuse side. So therefore the triangle AMD is congruent to the triangle BNC by RHS rule, right angle hypotenuse and side. So these two triangles are congruent to each other. It means their corresponding parts are equal. So angle D is equal to angle C. So now the angle ADM is equal to angle BCN by CPCT, corresponding part of a congruent triangle. Which one? Angle ADM is also same, ADC also same, right? Is equal to BCD. These two angles are equal here. Is it clear? So now observe here, AB is parallel to DC. It means AD is a transverse line. So AD is a transverse line means these two angles are the same side of the transverse line. It means sum of these two angle is a 180. So write down. Now the angle BAD and angle ADC are same side of the transversal AD. So that is the angle BAD plus angle ADC is equal to 180. Right? So call this equation 1 and call this equation 2. From equation 1 and 2. From equation 1 and 2. So instead of angle ADC, we can write angle BCD because these two angles are equal. So angle BAD plus angle BCD is equal to 180 degree. Right? So observe here, these two, sum of these two angle is a 180. So it means in a quadrilateral, the sum of opposite angle is a 180. It means it is a cyclic quadrilateral, right? So write down. This equation shows that the opposite angles are supplementary. Hence, ABCD is a cyclic. Hence proved. Is it clear?